Today I will show you how to make show players level category. So first of all we need to add Dino Dinobot. Go to dino.gg, log in with dashboard and give it authorize and manage this server. Authorize and prove that I am human. Now that dinobots have been added, go to dino players level category. So use slash command here dino and make here get information about a role, not get a list of server roles and press enter. Here we have that here people will see how many roles our server have: @owner, @admin, bot, mystics, arcane, silver, elder. And now I will show you how to here leaderboard. For leaderboard use slash command. In the slash command go to arcane dashboard. We need to copy our leaderboard link. It's our leaderboard link, copy it. Now go to dino modules, message embedder, choose a color. I choose red, paste their link, enter title leaderboard and author. Give my name, you can choose what you want. And now name leaderboard, select channel. In this channel leaderboard will show, so I will choose channel leaderboard and send only. And now show that dino owner leaderboard coming. If we click here, then will show the leaderboard at the gaming lover in level 3 role rewards. Now I will show you how to see people's when they are reach and level 4 or 5 or 3, then which rewards they will get. So for this go to arcane commands, leveling. Here rewards. For rewards we need to type a rewards, so type here a rewards. Now we can see the rewards for our level. In level 2 will be rewarded elder, and in level 3 will be rewarded silver. Not enough today. Goodbye.